DJI has already built one of the strongest ecosystems in the compact drone market through its Mini lineup. From the Mini 4 and Mini 4 Pro to the budget-friendly Mini 4K, the series has consistently focused on portability, ease of use, and reliable 4K imaging in a sub-250-gram form factor. Now, as DJI expands its next-generation offerings with the Mini 5 series and Mini 5 Pro, attention is shifting toward another rumored model, the DJI Mini 5K. Although it has not been officially confirmed, the growing number of leaks suggests that this drone could arrive in late 2025 or early 2026, potentially marking another major step forward for DJI's lightweight drone category. The Mini 4K currently serves as DJI's entry-level 4K option, designed for beginners and casual creators who want a simple way to capture aerial footage. It features a 12MP camera using a 2.3-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 24mm equivalent f2.8 lens. This setup allows 4K recording at up to 30 fps, along with 2.7K at 60 fps and Full HD at 60 fps. With a maximum bitrate of around 100 Mbps, it delivers decent image quality for travel content, social media clips, and basic video production. The camera is stabilized by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, ensuring smooth footage even in moderately windy conditions, while DJI's standard flight systems help maintain stability and ease of control. The rumored DJI Mini 5K, however, is expected to significantly expand on this foundation. One of the most discussed upgrades is a major improvement in the imaging system, potentially featuring a larger 1-inch type sensor or a high-resolution 50MP solution. While details remain speculative, the goal appears to be a clear jump in dynamic range, detail retention, and low-light performance. A brighter f1.8 lens is also expected to play a key role, allowing more light to reach the sensor and improving overall clarity in challenging lighting conditions such as sunsets, night scenes, and indoor environments. Video capabilities are also expected to take a major leap forward. Instead of being limited to 4K 30 fps like the Mini 4K, the DJI Mini 5K is rumored to support 4K at 60 fps with HDR processing, offering smoother motion and improved color depth. Even more impressive is the possibility of 4K 120 fps slow motion recording, which would allow creators to capture highly cinematic aerial sequences. In addition, support for 10-bit color profiles such as D-Log-M and HLG would give users significantly more flexibility in post-production, enabling professional-level color grading and cinematic workflows. The gimbal system may also receive a meaningful upgrade. While the Mini 4K offers standard stabilization with limited flexibility, the Mini 5K is rumored to include enhanced rotational movement, potentially up to 225 degrees. This would not only improve traditional framing but also support more advanced vertical shooting modes, which are increasingly important for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. This shift reflects DJI's growing focus on modern content creation trends. Flight performance is another area where the Mini 5K is expected to stand out. The Mini 4K offers around 31 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions, a top speed of roughly 57.6 km/h, and wind resistance up to 10.7 ms. It also supports a transmission range of about 10 km using DJI's O2 system. While solid for its class, the Mini 5K is rumored to significantly improve these metrics. Early leaks suggest flight times of up to 36 minutes under normal use, with a potential extended battery option pushing endurance to around 52 minutes. This would be a major advantage for creators who need longer uninterrupted shooting sessions. Alongside this, improved motors and refined aerodynamics could enhance wind resistance and overall flight stability, making the drone more reliable in challenging outdoor environments. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades is DJI's next-generation transmission system, potentially called O4+. This system could extend range to around 20 km while also improving signal stability and reducing latency. For pilots, this would mean fewer connection drops, smoother control response, and stronger reliability in areas with interference. Whether flying in urban environments or wide-open landscapes, this improvement could greatly enhance user confidence. Safety and navigation systems are also expected to evolve significantly. The Mini 4K relies on basic downward vision sensors, infrared positioning, and GPS-based systems for stability and return-to-home functionality. While effective, it lacks advanced obstacle detection. The Mini 5K, however, is rumored to introduce a far more advanced sensing suite, possibly combining omnidirectional vision with LiDAR-assisted obstacle detection. If true, this would allow the drone to detect obstacles from multiple directions, greatly reducing the risk of collisions. This would be especially beneficial for beginners, but also extremely useful for advanced users attempting complex shots like orbiting subjects, low-altitude cinematic flights, or navigating tight environments. It would make the Mini 5K both safer and more creatively capable. Despite all these upgrades, one of the most impressive expectations is that the DJI Mini 5K will still remain under 249 grams. This is crucial because it keeps the drone in a more flexible regulatory category in many regions, allowing users to fly it with fewer restrictions. Achieving this while integrating a larger sensor, stronger motors, improved transmission, and advanced obstacle sensing would be a remarkable engineering achievement if DJI manages to deliver it. When comparing the two models, the difference in ambition becomes clear. The Mini 4K is designed as an affordable, beginner-friendly drone that focuses on stable 4K video and simple operation. The rumored Mini 5K, on the other hand, appears to aim much higher, bridging the gap between entry-level drones and semi-professional aerial systems. In the end, the DJI Mini 5K represents more than just a potential upgrade. It reflects the direction consumer drone technology is heading. Smaller, smarter, longer lasting, and more capable than ever before. If DJI delivers even part of what is being rumored, the Mini 5K could set a new benchmark for lightweight drones and redefine what creators can expect from a sub-250-gram aerial platform.